September is Life Insurance Awareness Month.
And according to CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger, the topic is so important that it really needs its own month. Jill joins us now from New York to explain why. Jill, great to see you as always. How do you know whether or not you would need something like life insurance?
It starts with a very simple question. You ask yourself, if I were to pass away suddenly, would anyone suffer financial consequences? Now, for many of you, the answer is a resounding yes. Insurance can cover all different things: ongoing living expenses, maybe that means childcare, maybe it means helping your adult parents, maybe it is the payoff of debt or the funding of a future expense like college and retirement.
Okay, so you ask that question, you answer that question, but there are a couple of different options that you can buy, different types of insurance.
Yeah, and it's confusing. So I want to let's think of two broad categories. One is called term life insurance. And this is a very affordable option, especially for these young families just starting out. And they work like this. You've got this stated term, a period of time where the policy is in effect. And if the person who is insured dies during that period of time, the insurance company pays the face amount to whoever is the beneficiary. Term is really reasonable in terms of cost if you're in good health and up to about age 50. I will say that after 50, term insurance gets a lot more expensive. Hopefully by the time you get into that period of your life, you've saved enough money to cover whatever you need, and maybe your kids are grown so you don't need as much coverage. The other type of coverage is called permanent life insurance. It's more expensive than term because this is coverage that stays in place for your entire life. That's why it's often used for estate planning, or maybe if you have a special needs child. And there is a savings and investment component to a lot of these permanent insurance products, but I don't think that's the reason to buy it. You buy these types of products that are expensive because you know you must have coverage throughout your entire life.
Okay, Jill, let's talk options as far as the best place to buy it. Is it through work? Is it through online? Should I go through a life insurance salesperson? What's my best option there?
Well, I think you start with work because these coverages are really affordable because they're group coverage, right? And so the thing you make sure is if you go through work, oftentimes they'll say, okay, we'll give you a $50,000 policy, but you can buy, 1, 2, 3 times more. You just want to make sure that policy is portable. It means that you can take it with you if you leave the job. I think those aggregation sites online are great. You can compare coverage from different companies. Before you start, just make sure you calculate how much you will need in terms of coverage. Easy to use tool can be found at lifehappens.org.
Jill, as always, we appreciate it. Thank you. You can see Jill regularly on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News. More analysis, you can go to jillonmoney.com.